Hey there my friend, what is going on? Vitaly Dubin is here. I'm super excited. I want to congratulate you for making a smart decision to get started earning Ethereum daily with this 100% decentralized matrix project coded on Ethereum smart contract called Forsage. It's been absolutely life-changing for me, and in this very short video tutorial I'm going to share with you exactly how to get started and register with Forsage project, how to activate your slots, and how to start earning Ethereum daily with the project. We're going to do it with TokenPocket. This is for iOS users. If you're on Android, you can use Trust Wallet. You can also register with MetaMask. We're going to focus on this tutorial with the TokenPocket. Okay, now this is one of my accounts. As you can see, I've been able to generate about 1158 Ethereum, which is based on the current value of ETH, is about $281,000. And if we click here on the Etherscan, you can see the internal transactions that are coming in pretty much every single day. If I click here on the internal transaction, this has actually happened 5 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, right? And this is just coming. This is the potential. I want to show you what's possible with this project. You can be generating Ethereum on a daily basis with this project. Everything is transparent. Here is 21 hours ago, 25.6 ETH. And if I click on the smart contract address, you can see that every single minute something is happening. This is 28 seconds ago. All of those Ethereums have been generated in the Forsage project. Every single minute something happens, and this is the actual smart contract source code, everything open and transparent. That's what I love about this project, that 100% of the income goes to the members of the project. It's totally decentralized. The owners don't never take or keep people's crypto, and everything is transparent. You can start with fairly low amount of capital. You know, some start with $50, $100, $200, or $1,000. Some start with more. We'll talk about that in just a moment. So right now, what you're seeing, first step is you need to go ahead and download the TokenPocket wallet on your iOS device. Okay, now I'm using this emulator here because I do not own an iPhone, but this is how it works. Okay, you download it, and then you can create an account, and you choose here the blockchain foundation, which is Ethereum. So you click here and create a wallet. Now you can give it a name, and you can set a password right here, and then you click on the create wallet inside your app after you set up the password. Okay, next, back up the wallet. This is the mnemonic phrase, the 12 words. Make sure that you write it down on a piece of paper and keep it in a safe place. Okay, this is very important that you write down and back up and put it in a safe place, those 12 words. And once you're done, you click on the next step. And now what you need to do is place these words in the correct order, one after another, one by one. Okay, so go ahead and do it right now. And then click on finish. Now you have the wallet created. Okay, and what you want to do is click on the receive, and you want to copy this address and transfer Ethereum there. Now, how much Ethereum you transfer there to this wallet depends on how do you want to start with Forsage. Okay, most people start with 6 slots open in X3 and 6 slots open in X4, and you need for that 3.2 Ethereum. Some people start with 7 or 8 slots in each, so 7 slots here and 7 slots here. You should have 6.4 ETH there. For the 8 slots here and here, you'll need the 12.8 ETH. Some people start with 11 slots in both. You know, for leaders, it's about 100 ETH. And some people can get started with 3 or 4 or 5 in each. And this is okay. The more slots you activate from the beginning, the more you can earn from the spillover here. Spillover is not guaranteed, but we have people, that have generated significant amount of money from the spillover. Like, from example here, 57.6 ETH right there, a lot of spillover, and many accounts that have generated crazy amount of spillover. It's not guaranteed, of course, but the more you activate, the more chances you have that the spillover will come. And also you will not miss out on any of the payments. Okay, so do as much as you can and transfer the ETH now. If you don't have the ETH, the #1 place I recommend to get ETH is with crypto.com. You can get ETH with 0% credit card fee. All you need to do is download it on App Store or Play Store and get a little verification with your passport and selfie. They'll verify and approve your account, and then you can use your Visa card, and in some countries even MasterCard as well, and get and buy the ETH, and then you can withdraw it from the app to the external wallet, which will be your TokenPocket wallet. Okay, so go ahead and do it right now. Transfer Ethereum to this wallet. You can pause it, okay, if you need, and then continue to the next step. Okay, now what you want to do is go to Discover, okay, and the dApp browser. And here you want to paste the link that you are seeing on this page to register for Forsage. And you click on Enter, and it's going to show you this page. Now make sure that you see the correct ID number, okay? And if you're using the right link that you're seeing on the page that you're on, that you must be on the right ID. So what you want to do is click on the green button, Automatic Registration, okay? And it will take you to the screen to confirm the transaction details of 0.05 Ethereum. And you click on confirm payment and put in your password, and now the transaction has been submitted, and you see there is information about this transaction, and there you go, you already have one confirmation. So what you need to do is just wait a little bit, and the screen should update to the right screen that you will see inside your back office of Forsage, and ID will be given. Once you have this 4 confirmations, ID will be given to you, and then you can go ahead and upgrade your slots. You can click here on the refresh. Let's refresh. Okay, and 1 second. Okay, once you have 9 confirmations, now a new ID has been given, okay, which is 211413. All right, now you see never share your private key, 12 words. Now what you need to do right here is there's all these 12 slots in X3 and 12 slots in X4. So you click on the next slot in X3 and you click on buy, okay, and you see there is in a preview mode. Okay, we are in a preview mode right now. So what we need to do is we need to log out, okay, and we need to click on this green authorization button. All right. For whatever reason, it showed you this message. Let's copy this link and go to the dApp browser, and let's paste this link, okay, and click on the authorization. Okay, now it worked, okay, and you click on confirm, and again you need to set up the password, and there you go. Now you're authorized, and here you click on the pink shopping cart, and you purchase the next slot and confirm the purchase. You click on OK, confirm payment, yes, okay, and again put in the password. And now transaction has been sent, okay, and all you need to do is wait a little bit, and again we can refresh the screen in just a little bit. And this is how you activate slot by slot. That's how we're going to activate the next one and the next one by one, okay. I recommend that you activate X3 and X4 at the same time, okay. There's benefits in building both of these programs, both of these matrices, and progress evenly in both. All right, now let's click on refresh here, and we'll wait just a little bit longer. We can click on the Etherscan, and we actually see this address right here on the Etherscan, okay. This is the transaction hash 50 seconds ago, 5 confirmations right there. So we should be good. Let's come back. There you go. This spot is already active. So now you just do the same thing with X4 and confirm purchase. Okay, confirm payment, put out the password, and there you go. You'll wait another 30 seconds or so, or a minute. You'll refresh it and it will be there. It should be activated green. Now, like I said, most people start with 6 or 7 slots in X3 and X4. Okay, you can start with 4 or 5, you can start with 8, 9, 10 or 11, or even activate all slots all together. Now, once you're done that, the next thing you want to do is click on the enable notifications, because with the enable notifications, it will open up this notifier bot. It will show you the amount of Ethereum that you have been earning from your matrices. And all you need to do here is the account and click on add and send the Ethereum address of your Forsage account, which you want to add to the notification. It will start notifying you about every single transaction, single income, like with the dollar bags, like this, for example, $1,500 right there. It will notify you about the payments that you have received. Congratulations. So I wanted to get a lot of these notifications every single day, just like me. Okay, so this is how you do it. So once you activated all of the slots that you wanted to activate it one by one, there is your affiliate link. You can go ahead and use it in your funnels, in setting up the funnels. We have funnels ready for you to go, or you can use your own funnels. You can see this project earn right now $34.5 million to its participants. Absolutely amazing. You can click here to set a goal, and you can actually add a goal. Okay, the name of the destination, the name of your goal, description, choose a file, an image. So make sure that you set a goal that will inspire you. Okay, like owning a car that your dream car, like I did Porsche 911 Carrera 4S Cabriolet. You know, you want to put in what is the goal that will inspire you, that will drive you, maybe to buy a house, right, to buy a new car, maybe to travel around the world, maybe to generate 10,000 ETH. Make sure to set up a goal right now, and that's all that you need to do in order to get started. Make sure that you follow the training in our team site and connect, and if you put in the work and effort in this business and build it, it will pay off in a big way. My team is already at 81,830 people right here on this account, which is absolutely amazing. And this is how you start with the token pay for iOS users with Forsage. So congratulations on getting started, and I'll see you on the inside.